Welcome to the start of the 2023 Red Dirt Bass Bros fishing season. It is what, January, and it's cold. Well, not too. It's not too bad. It's supposed to warm up a little bit later, but the wind is supposed to pick up, and we'll just see. We got to get started at some point, so we might as well do it today. We're gonna see what 2023 brings to us. And
how's it feel?
oh my God, it's freezing. Lovely.
My goodness, so much.
Oh, get your ass in here. All right, the first one of 2023. Caught him on the old crack and crawl. Just a regular largie. I mean, I know we haven't been here that long, but still, it just seems like we were here forever. So gotta take a picture of the very first one of the year. So now I can go home happy. If I catch one, I'm always happy. Let go of my finger. Thanks. Not like it's cold or nothing.
There we go. It's a little baby. Little baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Little human cannonball over here. Would have never guessed that my first bass of 2023 would be a Guadalupe bass. Better than nothing. Skunk is out. Like what Dom said earlier. Skunk is gone. All right, little guadie. Go home. See ya. Man, that water's cold. Oh, this one feels good. Dang. Spider. Oh my God. Don't come on, please. Sweet. Oh, look at that. Largemouth. About a 1 pounder. Maybe just a hair above a pound. Little red lips, he's been eating them crawdads out here. Healthy looking bass. Pretty. Love it. Number 2 in about 10 minutes. So again, back to the cold water. Let go. Later, guy.
It's not really croc season.
Yeah, I know.
Well, it's starting to get overcast now. That wind's picking up.
I think we have a
What happened to that 70 degrees we supposed to get?
Well, I mean, like for tomorrow. Tomorrow's temp's supposed to be like cold.
There were no clouds this morning. Look at that. See the little trees blowing up there? Breakfast of champions right here. Good old all subs burrito.
I'm having tacos. It was just a nice relaxing sound when you're out on the river and you just hear that water running. Just eases your mind, clears your mind. That's why we do this, to recreate ourselves and to have fun.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, man.
Come on, stop. He was chasing that sumbitch for a while. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to rip your lip. Decent one. Little 1.5 pound. Look at that lipstick on it. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline.
Oh, yeah. Got another. Where's he at? There he is. He tried to take off with it. Number 3 for today, and a good hook set on that one. Maybe just under a pound, but he's healthy looking bass. I think it's turning out to be a pretty good day.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a rope swing right here. I wonder how much money it would take for somebody to jump on it. How much money you want? Give you $20. Jump in the water off that rope swing. What about a new fishing rod? I'll buy you a new fishing rod. You got that brand new one you don't even use.
We used it like 3 times last year.
What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he getting out of there?
First one of the day. I mean, hell, I already caught 3 bass, so I figured why not? Give me a reason to celebrate.
Celebration. Well, the bite has slowed down quite a bit, but still got a little bit to go.
Anyway, cheers to 2023 and to any new subscribers that came on. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the ride with us. So
Man, look at this healthy son of a bitch. Y'all got leaves and shit in there. Another good bass. Pretty good fight. Let's get him back in the water. Man, he is so cold. There he goes. Back into the depths. I knew there was one hiding in here. Only took us about an hour. Well, it's starting to warm up a little bit, so maybe they'll start coming out now.
but we do got the wind to deal with.
That dang wind. That West Texas wind. Oh well. We chose to live here.
That might be the same one.
That's the same one I caught.
He's still hungry. Got a lot of weight on him.
He's bleeding. Better get him back in. Make the sandwich out of it. Kind of brittle in it.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's fine. Yeah, it's getting there. Oh, easily. Like I said,
Like going over a day.
yeah, it's like I said earlier. It's like, you know, I was explaining to our audience that, you know, normally if it was warmer, if it was worth going down there stepping in all this cold shit, we would just, you know, throw them over and mosey on. But still a little chilly and not really worth it.
If we were like actually camping out here, we would gather up all these logs and just like burn
You know, if we were camping out here, none of this shit would be here.
Well, I hadn't been filming in a while, but we're pretty much on the home stretch. But look at this one. This is definitely the biggest one I've got today. 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds at the most. Again, that bandito bug, excuse me. Alabama craw color has been doing work. That's basically the only rod I've been throwing all day, so we'll let him go. Send him on his way. Thanks for playing. I know you're ready to get back. Out. Later, dude. That might possibly be the last one for today, but that's all right. Had a good time out here. I think I caught 4 or 5. I lost count, but yeah, it was a pretty good day. Not bad for January, cold day. So, all right, off we go. Well, what do you think of our first successful trip of 2023?
A little chilly, but we made it. We got it.
Agreed. First time these kayaks ever saw water in like months. Well, mine especially. Yours probably seen it a couple times since my last time I stepped foot in it. But
There were definitely cobwebs on it. Can we talk now?
yeah,
Damn vehicles.
yeah. Like any other time, like nobody drives by.
Nobody was here like the whole time we're loading this up. Now everybody wants to drive by.
Yep.
It was fun. It was a good start.
Mm-hmm.
We shall.
We kind of took it easy. Though we weren't really
Yeah,
like
we really kind of
like going at it hardcore like we normally do. But
like I say, we had a little roadblock out there. Kind of you know, we usually go a little bit further more, but you know, like I said, considering the weather, water being a little chilly, we'd have to walk a good ways, pull the kayaks with us, and just get over that tree, and it just wasn't worth it today. So, you know,
in a few months
it will be
short,
but yeah, definitely next time we'll give it a shot.
All right, well, that's going to do it for our first video of 2023. We appreciate you guys tagging along with us. We look forward to this year. We'll see you on the next go around, y'all. Stay safe and see you on the next one.